Today I'm going to show you how to integrate MailerLite with Framer in a simple step-by-step way so you can quickly add your MailerLite form to your Framer website without any confusion. This is a great setup if you want to collect leads, grow your email list, or connect your website to your newsletter in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open MailerLite in your browser. Once you're inside your MailerLite account, look at the left side menu and choose Forms. This is where all of your sign-up forms are managed. After that, find the form you want to use, hover over it, and click Overview. This will open the main settings and details for that form. Now scroll down until you see the section that says Embed Form into your website. This is the part we need because it gives us the code that lets the form display inside Framer. Under that section, choose HTML code and then copy it. Make sure you copy the full embed code so everything works properly when you paste it into Framer. Next, switch over to Framer. Once you're in your Framer project, click Insert from the top menu and search for Embed. When the Embed option appears, drag and drop it onto the page where you want your MailerLite form to appear. You can place it wherever it fits best on your website layout. After that, double-click the Embed component. On the right side, you'll see the HTML field for the embed element. Paste the MailerLite code you copied earlier into that field. As soon as you paste it in, the form should appear inside the embed component on your Framer page. At this point, you can preview the page to make sure the form looks correct and displays the way you want. If needed, you can adjust the placement in Framer so it aligns better with the rest of your design. Once everything looks good, publish your site, and your MailerLite form will be live on your Framer website. And that's it. You've now successfully integrated MailerLite with Framer using the MailerLite embed code and Framer's embed component. This is one of the easiest ways to connect your email sign-up form to your website, and once you know the process, you can repeat it anytime for other forms too. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.